What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Art Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Got a little flashback Friday. Got my little Kent State shirt. And so you guys were really discussing monthly dividend stocks to buy. But you guys were really asking me, do you find any good business development companies, really good monthly dividend stocks to buy? And as you know, with the rule of business development companies, 90% of what they make have to go back to us as investors. So a lot of you guys have said, where's the video? Where's the video that you posted? Well, you got to make sure that you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos when you subscribe, because these are all free for you guys. Everything is free. All you have to do is hit that bell, smash that like button. This stuff's all for you. So business development companies, I own some. I have some of my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I have some of my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I have some really good ones for you to check out. So let's check these out right now. That first stock is PennantPark Floating Rate Capital. This is a business development company. It has an 8.93% dividend yield. PE ratio is 7.12. The volume range is 770 to 1350. So the dip it's starting to make a comeback from the dip. And business development companies, you got to be very careful. You got to see what's going on with these guys. You got to be cautious. Let's see what's going on with these guys. So our firm was established to provide investors with access to middle market credit by design and set ourselves apart. We are an independent manager. From the early in this endeavor, we enjoyed a distinct advantage, and our senior professionals brought tremendous depth and experience in middle market credit. Prior to PennantPark, our senior team members worked alongside another various predecessor firms dating back to the mid-1990s. Now, over 14 years since PennantPark's founding, we continue to benefit our senior leadership team's extensive experience and long history of collaboration across multiple economic and credit cycles. All right, let's check a little bit more. We are deeply experienced lenders to invest in companies with attractive margins, low capital expenditure requirements, and demonstrate our ability to sustain growth throughout the business cycle. So they got a glass fabricator and added distributor of glass products, Blackhawk Industrial, metalworking, Kano Health primary care clinic operator, Komodo, SSL certificates, insurance broker and managing general agent, Orphan Industries. So they're pretty well. See, engineered products, building products supplier, Phoenix Marketing, Pathway Partners, Wheel Pros, national distributor for tires, proprietary and aftermarket wheels and related accessories, WBB government contractor, the U.S. Dominion global provider for end-to-end election tabulation solutions and services. And then they have an e-commerce furniture provider. Very interesting. And Provocation Medical, so software for healthcare professionals. So, how much revenue are they generating? So we are seeing an increase right here. So we are seeing an increase, 30. This is in millions of US dollars. 30, 46, 59, 72, 92, 95. Not bad at all. PFLT is the symbol. PFLT. I'll say that again because a lot of you guys want me to go over the symbols. And let's check out their dividend history. They're pretty much consistent 9 cents. PE ratio is 7.17%. Dividend yield 8.8 and 12.77. So 9 cents. That's not bad at all. So it's sitting at $12.77. Monthly distribution yield of 9 cents. Not bad. Let's check out the next dividend stock. And I actually own this one, Horizon Technology Finance Corp. Again, another business development company, distributes monthly dividends. I find this one very attractive, and I added this one. I'm very cautious with business development companies because, you know, the price per share decreases. But these guys are starting to increase their price per share, which makes them very attractive. And I'm going to show you what these guys are about real quick, because BDCs, real estate investment trusts, I know you got the FFO with the real estate investment trust, but you still need to see what's going on inside the nitty and gritty in the business development companies and real estate investment trusts. So let's check these guys out. So like its portfolio companies, Horizon Technology Finance is an opportunistic and forward-looking. Taking the long view does more than bridge the financial gap. It allows Horizon's portfolio companies to get from what they are and where they want to be. So let's check them out. Let's check out their portfolio. Our customers typically are privately held development stage technology companies backed by established venture capital firms in emerging technology, life sciences, healthcare, information and services, and sustainability industries. We also finance publicly traded technology and life science companies. So we got Argos. We got a lot of companies that these guys are about. Health Edge. Let's just click one of these. Health Edge. Who are these guys? Future your business with next generation core administration care coordination for transformative health plans. Very interesting. So you're going back to them. All these guys are on their website. So this is a wide variety. And even better, I'm going to show you. This is a lot. I'm telling you, these are a ton of companies that they have. Very transparent. I looked at a lot of these before I bought this business development company, this monthly dividend business development company. And I'm going to tell you, very impressed. And I'm going to show you its revenue. Revenue is increasing. So there was at one point 2014, 2016, took a little hit. 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, it has increased its revenue. So they are doing something correct, and it makes it very attractive. And this is why I bought those guys. Remember, 90% of what they make goes back to the investors. So let's check out their dividend history. At one point, 2016, they took a hit, and then it was 11 cents, and then it went to 10 cents. Dividend yield is 7.1%. PE ratio is 28.37. The price is going up, so there is some confidence and there is some revenue going up. So that makes these guys very attractive as a monthly dividend stock, and this is why I got them as a business development company. So this next one is absolutely on my radar. This is one that I'm highly considering buying. I may just make a little fractional share portfolio with this one and maybe another one. So let's check this out. This one is SLR Senior Investment Corp, another monthly dividend stock. A dividend yield of 7.50%, PE ratio 10.47. The year range is 1230 to 1641. Starting to get a little bit of an increase. It's starting to go up. And again, it's a business development company. What are these guys about? They're a yield-oriented business development company that invests primarily in senior secure loans of private middle market companies to generate current income that is distributed to shareholders monthly. We collaborate with the U.S. middle market businesses across a diversity of industries to deliver customized debt financing solutions. Sun commenced investment operations in the first quarter of 2011 and is investment grade rated. What else do they got? So this is what's really interesting. So their portfolio is 368 million. Investable capital, 911 million. Okay. The number of portfolio companies, 200 plus. Number of industries, 110 plus. Average fair value by issuer, 2.5 million. Percent portfolio and secured debt says greater than 99.9%. So percent of portfolio performing is 100%. Weighted average yield on income producing portfolio, 9.8%. How much revenue have they generated? Here's the thing with these guys. So if this is in millions of US dollars, this is 22, 25, 27, 32, 39, 40, and it went down to 31. You can play the pandemic card, okay? But I'm going to show you their dividend history. The price per share is starting to go back up, which makes these guys very impressive, and their dividends are nice. They're very nice. I'm going to show you right now. They took a hit in April of 2020, and it went from 11 cents to 10 cents. But again, the PE ratio is 10.45, dividend yield 7.66, the annual dividends $1.20. So for a price of $15.92, that's not bad. Same thing with HRZN. So this symbol is SUNS. The other one is HRZN. And the first one is PFLT. I just want to make sure I got the symbols right. Let's jump to the next monthly dividend stock. And that next one is Main Street Capital. It's sitting at $41.33. Its dividend yield is 6.10%. The dip is there. I own this one, and I'm absolutely long in it. The PE ratio is 9. Market cap is $2.84 billion. And the year range is 26.48 to 43.56. These guys are so good. I mean, this is what I love about them. So, a lot of you guys who don't own them, um, I know that this is one of the most popular business development companies. If you want me to do a future video on what these guys are about in the nitty and gritty, I'll be glad to. But this one is very well known, and I'm going to show you their revenue and their dividend history. Look at these guys as a business development company. So 140, 164, 178, 205, 233, 243, 222.614. Okay, it did go down. You could play the pandemic card, but let me show you their dividend history. As a business development company, these guys have increased their dividend all the time. 19 cents, 20 cents. This is in 2019, 20 cents. That's why I got these guys early. 2020, 20 cents. It just cracked 21 cents, okay, in September. So they cracked the 21 mark. They beat 20 cents. They're sitting at 41.33. This is a deal. These guys are a steal right now. It's 41.33. They're cheap. 5.9% dividend yield, PE ratio 8.98. Their revenue is going to go right back up. Again, none of this is financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. There's a description. In the description area, I have a disclaimer in there. But you look at the trends, I mean, things look very attractive. And I got another monthly dividend stock that is a business development company that a lot of people own. You want me to do a future video on it with its nitty and gritty and understand this one. This one's the second most popular business development company, which I'm going to jump to right now. Gladstone Investment Corporation. This one's, again, 5.89% dividend yield, PE ratio 5.29. And again, these guys at one point were beating the S&P. And all of a sudden the pandemic hit, and then they took a nosedive. So this is one that I capitalized on. I own a lot of shares. I'm in the 100 plus mark of shares with Gladstone Investment Corporation. I'm going to show you how much revenue they're generating. And I will jump to one more business development company. I'm sure you know which one that is at the end. But let's check out this one real quick and its revenue. Again, as a business development company, I absolutely love the revenue increase that these guys have done. So again, you can play the pandemic card between 2020 and 2021, but again, 41, 50, 51, 58, 59, 61, and then it went down to 56. You can play, again, I'm going to play the pandemic card right there with this one, and I love its monthly dividend history, which I'll show you. So at one point it was 6 cents, then it went to 3 cents, took a little bit of a hit, then 7 cents, and then 9 cents. It's back to 7 cents, and it hit 3 cents. Big deal. I got this one. I'm long in it. Can't wait. Because again, if you look at the trends, normally it'll probably increase its dividend over time as a business development company. So this one in Maine, I feel very confident. I own both of these. I'm very long in them with their dividend increases over time. And I'm expecting, you know, again, this is not financial advice, but I'm expecting this one to increase its dividend over time. Horizon, Suns, I don't know. So GAIN, MAIN, absolutely yes, I own these guys. HRZN, maybe because it's increasing revenue. But again, I like these two. Gain and Main are mine 1 and 2. The knockout punch. 1-2 knockout punch. These are the two best business development companies, in my honest opinion. And I'm going to show you a business development company that everybody talks about and everybody loves. But I'm not going to buy it. I did, but I just don't like it. I got more in depth with studying these business development companies. And this is not an attractive monthly dividend stock at all, which I'll show you. Yuck. Okay. Prospect Capital Corporation. Look at it. Going down, down, and it went up, and then look at the max of it. Down, okay? And look, down, 15, 20. Down, 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 down. And it's back at 8. Now, if you got it here at 383, hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Buying the dip, holding on to it. You got a ton of monthly dividends. Imagine like if you threw $300, you have 100 shares of these guys, and all these dividends are like kicking in. Nothing wrong with that. 9.15% dividend yield. What's the revenue? That's the thing I don't like either. So you go 791, 701, 657, 703, 623, 631. Too inconsistent for me. I like consistency. If you're with friends, you know they're consistent. I don't like people who are inconsistent and it's unstable. I don't like. I like things stable. If you're out with friends, if you're out on a date, you prefer somebody that's stable and not unpredictable, that they're going to blow a gasket or something, or this company is not going to do well. That's kind of, you like stability, you like predictability. Now I'm going to show you its dividend history. So at one point it was doing well, 10, 11, 8, 6, and it never rebounded. So if I see a dividend increase, I'm in. I'm absolutely in. It's still a business development company. If there's some improvement, I mean, some people told me that they're making some adjustments and improvement, but you got to watch for these business development companies and mortgage-backed REITs that have a low PE ratio. I'm telling you, the low PE ratio can be a red flag, even on mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. Now, FFO is a big thing with real estate investment trust, but you watch, there's a lot of trends. Just even Google search low PE ratio. What is going on there? And then it's decreasing its price. That's why I don't like it. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Start Dividend. You guys have a good one. This is a tough one, doing business development companies. I mean, I'm so with those guys. It's the dividend history is not bad. But again, I like monthly dividends, but I want stability. Now, if there's an increase, maybe I'll just make a little M1 Finance pie and just add some of these guys to it. I don't have a problem doing that. If I want dividends that increase, have good stability, like gain and main and grow, absolutely. But some of these I'm going to back off. PFLT I'm going to look at. HRZN I own. Suns maybe. Main and gain absolutely. Prospect no right now. So let me know what you think of these 5 and including Prospect Capital. Do you own Prospect? Do you like Prospect? Do you like any of these business development companies? So I'm going to make a quick video tomorrow. I did sell a stock that I loved. I absolutely loved, but I sold it and threw it in another stock. And I'm going to explain to you why. So that video will be tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos, so you don't miss these videos. And I'm going to try to post that maybe around 8:30 Eastern time on Saturday. I do have to work, but once I get done with my shift, I'm going to try to catch the Penn State Auburn game. That's going to be a good one. So you guys take care and have a good one.